Oh, thank you, Mr. Freeman. Thank you.
The guys who wrote this show know squat. It should tight scratch his tongue with the tongue.
And extreme movement, including sharp turns, steep dives, and rapid accelerations. Expected mothers and individuals with heart, neck, or back conditions, abnormal blood pressure, medical sensitivity to fog or stroke effects, recent surgeries, claustrophobia, those prone to dizziness or motion sickness, or have any other conditions that may be aggravated by this experience should not ride this attraction. You must be at least 40 inches in height. If your child does not meet the 40-inch height requirement, we offer a child swap area for your convenience. As a reminder, the queue is a non-smoking environment. Also, please help us reduce your wait time by keeping up with the party ahead of you. Please consult a Krusty crew member if you have any questions. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hey there, old timer. What you say?
Bart, keep your eyes open, because danger can be lurking where you least expect it. Yeah, like right there. Keep it moving, wise guy. And lose the attitude. Don't enter any restricted areas. You must throw up, do it in your hat. And above all, beware of this man, escaped convict sideshow Bob. If you see him, call the police immediately at 119. It's 991. No, it's 111. No, it's 999. It's 787.
It's 911, Chief.
That can't be.
It sells for $10. Now, this may sound like a great deal of money, but it comes with a free refill. And by free refill, I mean that you drink the soda, then wait for the ice to melt, and then you drink that. Also, the macho nachos are not very much.
Okay, Mo. Well, Willie's on break. Take good care of me, prize shark.
No problem.
I believe this is mine.
It was still the most meaningful relationship I ever had.
Welcome to the information booth. Before you ask any questions, I should tell you the things I don't have any information or knowledge about so you can avoid those areas. I know very little about the layout or operating hours of the park. I am also unfamiliar with the location of the nearest bathroom or restaurant. I am also ignorant regarding matters of first aid, park exits, local freeways in Turkey, either the country or the bird. Now, how can I help you?
Okay, here's a fun fact. Did you know that this entire park was built by prison convicts? It's true. Here, they test everything on us. Lives, food, slogans. It's totally ignorant.
Hey, Krusty! Congratulations. The line's almost over. Only 45 more minutes. Just kidding. I have no idea how much longer it is. So here to entertain you are Itchy and Scratchy.
Hey, those are just two drunks you fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie.
You're fired. And leave the suit.
All right, get this thing off.
Go! Keep the suit! One word of warning that may mar your otherwise enjoyable day at my park. There's a psychopathic killer on the loose. His name is Sideshow Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me. Then Bob tried to frame me for robbery, and he was foiled by the Simpsons. And now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby. 6 months ago, Bob escaped from the Springfield penitentiary. He is rumored to be in the vicinity of this park, but rest assured, my Crackerjack security team has everything under control.
I'm sorry, does anyone know which end the bullet goes in?
Now, which lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling
new ride. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go. To the little clown's room, so the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, go! Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
Observe. Oh, the growing. Now, if a human being were to enter that room, who knows what events might occur, you like? They could grow 50 feet tall, or 3 extra arms, or an eye where their nose should be, which is painful.
Hey, Nerdenheimer, don't you have a test tube to polish?
Yes, I do, actually, but you denied my request for test tube polish. I've been using rainwater in my shirt tails.
Get out of here! Here we are at the vehicle boarding station.
I'm sorry, sir. Most of the show's over. You'll go get your seats.
may
One
not
for
fly.
Pharrell.
I am in the best shape I've ever. Oh, heart attack! Been in my life. I feel like a 20-stroke-year-old. Massive aneurysm. I'll wait outside.
Oh, you can watch Maggie.
You can enjoy each other's nonsense. You don't say. Well, back in my day, people never had to gobble money. Well, Maggie, looks like I'll be taking care of. That's it, Maggie. Stay with Grandpa. Wow, we're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel, or whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold. Is it ice cream?
No revenge!
Go.
We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day? Simpsons, get in that ride.
Forget it, Bob. We'll never. Dad.
I waited in line an hour for this thing, and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety.
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Walk, don't run. Proceed to the left and right side of the vehicle. We ask that you place all large or fragile items, including cameras and video recorders, against the wall outside the vehicle, and hold on to all loose articles. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please watch your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the Krusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you are seated, please pull down on the lap bar. Please remain seated and face forward while the vehicle is in motion. Keep your arms and legs clear of the closing doors and inside the vehicle at all times. No still or motion picture photography of any kind is allowed. Thanks for your attention. Enjoy the ride.
Many qualified teens like myself were required to take an extensive training course and not wear facial hair. Enjoy yourself, but keep the screaming down.
I've taken over every area of the park. There's no place you'll be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it.
Roller coaster.
I'm scared, Dad.
sweetie, they won't kill you at an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my doctor.
Ah, my next of kin. So anyway, where do you all go?
Not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun.
Only they said to stay safe.
Oh, that's a lot of crooked. I always keep things flying backwards. Hey, I can see our car. You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You want to hurt me, Paul? We're both big and round and never finished high school.
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth.
You're all gonna die. A kiddie ride. Ooh, at least we're safe.
Panda, backs to differ. You shut up. Say we.
Alone at last.
I'm trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Now, mother, because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
Oh, beer!
Where's the temptation?
When did beer hurt anybody? I hate chain reaction!
You foiled my plans for the last time.
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Onward, convenient land!
Maybe that exit sign leads to an exit! Marge, stay away from the ramp! I'm in ramps!
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
They grow up so fast!
Stop the holocaust!
Do not say airplane. Birds.
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
The baby is wet, I presume drinking.
I'm not gonna change that guy.
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Destroy something!
Hey, you break it, you puppet!
Get away from my baby! Maggie, that's not a pacifier! Those tourists out of your mouth! You don't know where they've been!
Home sweet. No! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are slapping my face!
Break that big gravity! I'm a baby bird! This must be the part when I take your picture. Okay, smile!
It's only 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over.
Let's go again. I want to go again.
Well, that's all right. Hey, what does this do?